A simple three-step system to show up online daily. Showing up online every day shouldn't feel exhausting or overwhelming. If you want to start an online business but feel burned out by content creation or glued to your phone trying to keep up, this video is for you. In this video, we walk through a simple three-step system that helps you stay visible online without posting nonstop or constantly coming up with new ideas. This approach is designed to make consistency feel manageable, not draining. You'll learn how to choose 3 clear content pillars like mindset, marketing tips, and your personal story. Create just 1 piece of content for each pillar every week. Reuse and repost your best performing content instead of reinventing the wheel. This system is especially helpful for online business beginners who want to grow their presence but don't want social media to take over their entire day. When you have a plan, showing up feels lighter and far less stressful. Consistency doesn't require more effort. It requires a smarter structure that works with your energy. The Social Marketing Advantage Digital Kit is a practical digital product that helps you build this exact system using templates, prompts, and guidance. It's designed to keep you visible without burnout and is especially useful if you're using resale rights digital kits to grow your business without starting from scratch.